Can blank, you or Lisa, take me to the station? Either, both, neither. Listen carefully, guys. When we say either someone or the other, it means one of them, only one. Maybe this one, but not this one. But when we say both someone and the other, it means the two of them, this and this. And when we say neither something nor the other, it means none of them, not this and not this. And remember in the test, when you see or, choose either. And when you see and, choose both. And when you see nor, choose neither. Here we have or, so the answer is either. Can either you and Lisa take me to the station? And it means only one of you will take me to the station. Maybe you and not Lisa. You can blank, eat nor drink in this place. Here we have nor, so choose neither. And it means not to eat and not to drink. None of them is allowed in this place. Can you answer this one? Blank, John and Lisa were invited. Remember, we have and here. What's the answer then? Well, follow this rule and answer. Thank you for watching.